Good morning students. In this video I am explaining you about the sorting. Sorting means arranging the records in ascending or descending order. Okay, taking any particular column. So what is the meaning of that one? Suppose we want to arrange these names. If you are seeing on the screen, here are some records of Nidhi, Lalit, Geeta, and their marks in English, Maths, Hindi, Science, Social Studies. So if you want to arrange these records in ascending order, selecting the column name, it means whose name is coming in alphabetic order first, that should be come into the first line. Then that's name is coming starting with B in the second line, C with the third line. If you take this example, in this example, if we are arranging the records into the ascending order, means increasing order, then Geeta should come first, okay, and Lalit should come second, and Nidhi should come third. So what we do for that one, we select in such a way, right? After selecting it, we will click on data, right? See, data option. Then it is A to Z, means in increasing order. Suppose we want in increasing order, so what will happen if we will click here at A to Z? So Geeta will come first. See, now see. So Geeta is coming first, then Lalit, then Nidhi, right? So this is the way through that we can arrange the records in ascending or descending order. Or suppose you want who is coming first in Maths. So it means if you see here Nidhi is coming first, that is 99. So if you want to arrange the records on the basis of column Maths, means who is getting the highest marks. So what we will do, again after selecting this one, this is being already selected, we will go to the data option. After clicking on data option, we will go here, we will click over here, right? After clicking it, we will get this pop-up menu. In this pop-up menu, we have to take the field Maths. So you can take Maths. See, after taking Maths, what do you want? Smallest to largest? No, largest to smallest. So largest to smallest means who is getting the highest mark will come first. If we will click on OK, now see, right? So this way we can arrange the records in ascending and descending order on the basis of different conditions, whether you want to on basis of Maths or Hindi or Science or Social Studies or English, or on the basis of name. So this way we can complete the task, right? Thank you.